There you go, 1415 gold standard, guys. This is 5-box case break number 4. The second half of the case that we started yesterday on the 11th. Today is now the 12th. 29 total spots with one combo of Pacers and Wizards. Here we go. Hit the randomizer 5 times. Thanks again, everybody, for joining. There we go. TSM on the top. Let's hit it on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. YBJ number 1. Holler Dog number 29. On to the teams. Blazers on top, Warriors on the bottom. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 5. Denver on top, and Charlotte on the bottom. Right, here we go. YBJ the Nuggets, Vinny Vegas Suns, Arjovi Pacers and Wizards, Tony H the Mavericks, Natty 12B Spurs, JTYC the Hawks, Grande Knicks, Munchman 34 Blazers, Crowley Clippers, Doobie Penguin Nets, Poozilla Grizzlies, 3 Point Bucks, Joey G Cavs, SRE Calbry Warriors, JTYC Jazz, Daniel W Thunder, Holler Dog Bulls, Charabon Pelicans, Billy P Kings, R Joey Rockets, RB Rocks the Heat, Nick Hayes T-Wolves, Roostin the Pistons, Bombs 320 Celtics, Let's Hit It Magic, TSM Raptors, JTYC Sixers, One Jim Oz Lakers, and Holler Dog the Bobcats. Alright, there you go. Start trading.